Hello. In this video, I will show you how to migrate a WordPress website to new host from cPanel to Hostinger. Let's come to the video. This is the WordPress website. So we will migrate this website to Hostinger. And the website is hosted is by the cPanel. The website is currently hosted on cPanel. So we will migrate it. Let's open the file manager, open the website root folder. These are the root folders of our main website, and we will zip only wp content folder because wp-admin and wp includes all these files are wp core files, so we don't need those folders and files. We only need wp content folder. I will now archive this wp content folder. So I will right click on it, click on compress, select zip archive wp content.zip, click on compress. So it is now compressing. So we will wait for some time. I will fast forward this video. Okay, it is already archived. It is now zipped format, so we can download it. Okay, I already downloaded this wp content zip file for you, so it will not waste your time. Now we will export the database. So click on phpMyAdmin, and how to check the database name I will show you. In this root folder you can see wp-config.php file. So we will click on view, and you can see the DB name, which is database name is wp19. So once we clicked on phpMyAdmin, here is the wp19. So we will export this database. Click on export. I already downloaded that database, so we will close this tab. So now we have both wp content folder and database. So now we will first add the website on new hosting provider. So click on websites, website list. Once we click on websites list, click on add website, click on WordPress. Next, to create blank site. We don't need all this pre-built website because we are migrating the website. So click on create blank site, copy and paste the domain name. Okay, so click on next. So you can see here it is showing installing WordPress. So we have to wait at least 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, it is completed. Now you can see the domain name is the temporary domain name, and it is fresh WordPress website. Now we will open Hostinger, which is our new hosting provider. Once we open this, click on dashboard. Now click on file manager, click on public HTML. Here is the root folder of our site, of this WordPress site. Click on wp content folder, right click, delete, upload the file which we downloaded it. In meantime, we will click on enter phpMyAdmin, select all, drop, delete all the tables, click on database, click on import, choose file, choose that database which is .sql file, this one, click on import. Okay, database is successfully imported. Now you can see all these database tables. We need table prefix which will connect our website to this database. So you can see this WPIC, this is our table prefix. wp-ic, this one wp-ic. So we will copy it, go to the file manager, click on select wp-config.php file, right click on it, click on edit, and you can see the table prefix is wp. So what, select wp, remove it and paste it wp-ic. Don't remove this one, always keep this one. We will change the database table prefix only. Now click on save, and the website is now connected database. Okay, okay, that zip file is uploading, so we have to wait for some time. Okay, so now the file is uploaded. You can see wp content.zip file. Select this file, right click on it, extract / extract. It is now extracting, you can see. Okay, it is now extracted, you can see. And once we click on this folder, all the files and folders are there, like plugins folder, themes folders, all are here. Okay, now we will change the name server of the domain. Okay, so we will go to the domain list, select the domain. This one is our domain. Click on it, and you can see our domain, our name server are these two. We will change it and connect it to the new server. You can see domain is not connected to your website. So click on check guide, and these are our new hosting provider name server. So we will copy this here, paste, then copy the second one, then paste and save it. And once it is saved, and we have to wait at least 1 to 2 hours, then your website will be connected to the new host and it will open without any issue. So let's wait for 1 hour. Okay, so now our website is connected. So we will refresh the page. Okay, now our website is properly working. So in this way, we can easily migrate the WordPress website from one hosting provider to another. If you are getting any issue during migration, you can ask on comment section or on email or WhatsApp. I added both email and WhatsApp in my description. If this video helped you, like this video and subscribe this channel for more content on WordPress website. Bye bye.